Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Earnings Empowered by AI. Friends, as you see this YouTube channel, which is kids channel, cartoon videos for kids. It uses animations to create simple videos for kids, and some of the most popular videos got million views. When we check this channel on Social Blade, then their estimated monthly income is approximately $60,000, which is incredible. Similarly, this cartoon channel has also 835,000 subscribers and earnings in $1,000. You can also create similar videos with the help of AI tools in just a few minutes. As I will show you in today's video how you will create an animated kids story video using AI tools. I will be breaking up the video into 5 segments, so please watch it completely. In first step, we will create a story for our video. And in the second step, we will create a voiceover. In third step, we will create visuals or images for our story. And in the fourth step, we give some effects to our images. And in the last step, we using all these images or videos to create a story in our video editing software. Now in the first step, open ChatGPT to create a story for your video. If you have not logged in already, then log in first. For that, you have to sign up and then you can easily use it. Now write the title of your story on which you want to make a video, or you can make any prompt. As for example, I will give the prompt as write a short story of good moral lesson of 3-year-old kid. Now you can see that ChatGPT create a very engaging YouTube story. In the second step, we will create a voiceover for our story video. There are a lot of online AI tools for this purpose, but I will use 11 Labs because it is free and you can find so many voice actors in it. And I have made a full tutorial on 11 Labs. You can check it on my channel, or I will give you its link on my description box. Simply log into 11 Labs, sign in. Now open the first link. Here I will copy my whole text from the ChatGPT and paste it here. You can select any voice.
In a cheerful little village, there lived a curious and loving.
If you are okay with this voice, then please you can download it here. But if you don't like this voice or speech, then you can try another voice or another sound and try again until you are satisfied. Now our voiceover step is completed. We will go towards the third step. In the third step, we will generate images or visuals for our story video. There are so many online AI tools for this too, but I will use Leonardo AI because it is free and you can create unlimited image with this. Simply write a prompt here. And for prompt, we will again go towards the ChatGPT and write here as kindly write scene-wise prompt for our story and also add keywords 3D animation, 4K resolution, every prompt illustrate. Now you can see this, the ChatGPT create a scene-wise prompt for our story. We will copy every prompt and paste it in the Leonardo prompt box. Click the generate button. Now you can see this, it will generate visuals according to our script. Download the images as much as you want for your story and save them on your device. Create all the images from every prompt you enter in this box and download all the images. Our all images are created now. Now we will go towards the fourth step. As you know, this is the kids animated story and kids like shaking images. For that purpose, we use another tool which is Leiapix. Leapix. Open the first link. Now you can add the images which you have created from the Leonardo. Click on the plus button. Your images are loaded here. Now you can see this, you can change the direction, you can change the angle of their movement from all of the options available here. Which one do you like the most? Then download it. Again, you can do it with your second visuals. Now our all images are converted into this effect videos. Now our final step is editing. In this last step, we will use all these things to create a video. For creating a video, you can use online AI website, but I will use CapCut because it is very simple and basic software. Open it and import your generated images. Then import your generated voiceover. Put a beautiful background music if you want. It is a very simple tool and you will not face any difficulty using it. Combine all the things, set the frame and placement of your images, and here you go. Your AI generated kids story video is ready. You can also add subtitles if you want.
One sunny morning, Liam's grandmother gave him a special gift, a small, magical seed. She told him, "Liam, this seed has the power to grow into something wonderful, but only if you nurture it with kindness and love." Excited, Liam held the tiny seed in his hand and wondered how he could make it grow. His grandmother suggested, "Every time you do something kind for someone, water the seed with your good deeds and watch."
Did you see how easy it is to create such videos? You can also make a kids story YouTube channel and earn by uploading such story videos. Like the videos and subscribe if you have watched the full video, and also tell me which tutorial do you want next. And if you have any suggestions, then write below in the comment box. Okay ji, happy creating and remember me in your prayers. Allah Hafiz. Now let's have a look of our video.
More, helped each other, and started their own acts of kindness. The whole village was becoming a better place because of the little seed of kindness that Liam had nurtured. One day, after many acts of kindness, Liam woke up to find that his seed had grown into a beautiful, vibrant tree. Its branches were filled with colorful fruits that looked like hearts. His grandmother came over and said, "Liam, you've done it. Your kindness has turned the seed into a tree of love." Liam was overjoyed, knowing that his simple acts of kindness had created something so magical. The tree became a symbol of love and kindness for the entire village. People would visit it, tie ribbons on its branches, and share their stories of kindness.
And from that day forward, Liam continued to spread kindness wherever he went. He learned that even the smallest acts of kindness could make a big difference in the world around him. The lesson he learned was that by nurturing the seeds of kindness in our hearts, we can create a world full of love, joy, and compassion. And so the village thrived, thanks to the little 3-year-old boy who had discovered the power of kindness in a tiny seed.